It seems like we can't go a day without news of a data breach or hacking attempt. Cybercriminals are constantly developing new tactics, which means ordinary users need to stay vigilant. Good cybersecurity hygiene is how we establish strong everyday habits to make ourselves much harder targets for online attacks. The following simple steps reduce your risk significantly. Passwords, your first line of defense. Create strong, unique passwords. Ditch the birthdays, pet names, or simple number sequences. Your passwords should be complex and different for each of your online accounts. Combine upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. The longer the password, the better. Password managers to the rescue. It's tough to remember a unique, complex password for all of your accounts. Consider a reputable password manager. These tools generate strong passwords, store them securely, and even autofill login forms, protecting you from accidental entry on fake websites. Enable two-factor authentication. If a site or service offers 2FA, jump at it. This adds a layer of protection beyond just your password. Before gaining access, you'll receive a code via text, email, or an authenticator app to verify it's really you. Spotting trouble. Phishing attacks. Phishing scams trick you into giving up personal information or clicking malicious links. They often come disguised as emails or texts from banks, streaming services, or social media platforms. Slow down and scrutinize. Phishing messages often have a sense of urgency designed to rush you. Take a moment to analyze the sender's email address. Does it look slightly off? And hover over links without clicking to see if the destination looks strange. Check for errors, typos, grammar mistakes, and odd greetings, like "Dear Valued Customer," are big phishing red flags. When in doubt, go direct. Instead of clicking the link in a suspicious message, navigate to the company's website by typing the address yourself or via a saved bookmark. Log in and see if they have alerts or messages for you there. The importance of software updates. Updates aren't just about fancy new features. They often patch critical security holes. Turn on automatic updates. For your operating system, Windows or Mac, smartphones, or major apps, enable automatic updates whenever possible. This means security patches get installed behind the scenes, effortlessly. Don't ignore those nags. When update notifications pop up, don't keep hitting "Remind me later." Install them as soon as practically possible. Here are some bonus tips for increased cyber wellness. Be cautious on public Wi-Fi. Public Wi-Fi found in coffee shops, airports, or hotels are often unsecured. Avoid handling sensitive data like online banking while connected to these networks. Consider using a VPN for encryption if you need to use public Wi-Fi frequently. Back up your data. Ransomware, hardware failure, or simple accidents can lead to lost data. Back up your essential files using a cloud service or an external hard drive. Think before you post. Oversharing on social media can potentially aid scammers. Limit the personal details you make public, and review privacy settings on your accounts. Cybersecurity hygiene doesn't need to be complicated or overwhelming. By incorporating the habits shared in this video into your digital life, you significantly reduce your risk of falling victim to cyber attacks. Stay safe, stay informed, and stay aware to keep your digital world more secure. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for watching and listening.